Hey, how's it going? Night tour here, Bob. Just getting my car, letting it warm up before I take off. Housekeeping, country gentleman, corn cob, and a pumpkin spice forever stem. And I'm smoking Boswell's Piper's Dream blended together with chocolate cream. It's a very, very good flavor. As most of you know, I've got a real sweet tooth when it comes to aromatics. Although I do enjoy Englishes as long as they're not extremely heavy Latakia blends. We had a snowstorm last night. So this is what Minnesota normally looks like, except the snow's not quite as deep as what it usually is. So what we got is about 3 or 4 inches last night, and normally it'd be about 3 or 4 feet. Here's my windshield. I'm on my way to physical therapy. Be the first time I get a chance to go in the swimming pool. My back is really killing me today. I'm not sure how much will get accomplished. I've had physical therapy in the past, and it really didn't do any good. But I may this time be bad enough that I file for disability, and if I do that, I'm sure I'm going to have to prove that I did everything I could to get better. So I think the car's warmed up enough, so I'm going to head out. The parking lot is icy and my car won't move. I'm just spinning my wheels on the ice. Come on, come on. Oh, there she goes. Lovely. Burn extra gas doing that, and burn off the rubber off your tires at the same time. Well, I'm going to turn off the camera. I showed you once before the drive to the VA hospital. It's nothing special, except now there's snow on the ground. I'll turn the camera actually around and let you get a brief look at snow on the ground in Minnesota. Although, hey, everybody's seen snow before except maybe Ishi in Sri Lanka. That's what it looks like. This is actually pretty darn nice. They do a really good job here in Minnesota clearing the roads, so there's no ice on the ground, and so you don't have any problems, getting into accidents. The road is very clear right now. So I hear in some of the southern states that they don't. Matter of fact, I know this from past experience. I've been on a truck trip a few years ago, going down. I was on my way to Florida, and as I was coming across Interstate 24 in Tennessee, ran into backed up traffic right on the interstate. It was all at a dead stop. And I turned on my CB radio because truckers often know what's going on and communicate to each other what the problem is with road blockages, and that way you can find out if the road's blocked, then you can look on your map and find another way to get around the blocked area. Well, apparently there was enough snow on the road that it was causing severe driving conditions. There was an accident up ahead, and in Tennessee, well, they just didn't know how to handle the snow. They didn't have the capability of cleaning the roads off, and the state troopers had shut down the highway and said it was going to be shut down till the next day. And this was, I don't know, 6 o'clock at night or something like that, and they said it was going to be shut down till the next day. So, I looked at my map and I could see there was a exit to a little secondary highway a little bit in front of where I was, and I got on the CB and asked if that road was clear enough to drive on, and one of the truck drivers said yeah. So I got onto the shoulder of the road and drove up the shoulder. I drove up the shoulder and until I got to the exit ramp, and then I went up the exit onto the secondary highway, and then I was able to drive around where the interstate was blocked, and got on the interstate, past the accident site. Oh well, pipe went out. I didn't bring any tobacco with me, so I'm just going to let it stay out, and then I can light it up again and have a smoke on the way home. So, till next time, may all your roads be smooth, chicken house is closed, may your pipe never run empty. God bless. Drive careful. Hey, how's it going, guys? Just got done with physical therapy. No swimming pool today. They said if I wanted to be in a swimming pool, I have to show up early. Because it closes at 3:30 and my appointment was for 3. And the VA is so large, by the time I walk from the physical therapy office to where the swimming pool is, there only would have been about 10 minutes left, before the pool closed. So next time I'll just have to show up early. So we just worked out, doing exercises in the physical therapy room, and right now my back's okay. It's pretty loose. I'm guessing that as it cools up as time goes by, half hour, 45 minutes from now, the muscles will tighten back up and then it'll hurt. But right now it's actually feeling pretty decent, which I'm surprised. I really am. But I know later it's going to hurt bad. Am I out? No, I'm not out. Just in this cold air, it doesn't want to. Good enough. Okay. Well, talk to you guys later. You have a good day. Take care. Hey guys, how you doing? Night Door here, and as you can see, I got a package in the mail. On the way home from physical therapy, I stopped at my mailbox, grabbed the package. Now, it's actually been about an hour since I had physical therapy, and while it was feeling good immediately after physical therapy, now it's quite sore and very, very stiff. But I thought I would do this package opening, and I got I already know it's from Mojo Milt, Frank. There we go. Just a cheap little pipe I got at a truck stop one time. In my old job delivering boats, they were tied down with straps, but they would have boat covers on them that were tied on with string, and sometimes the wind would catch it. The wind would catch it and yank it off as I was driving, and I would have to cut it off because it'd be dragging on the ground. And so one time I usually took a knife with me so I could do that in the event that it happened. I didn't have a knife with me, and so I had to, when I had the boat cover dragging on the ground, I had to drive to the nearest truck stop where I could buy a knife and then cut it off. So, and that was the knife that I bought. So let me see. Ooh. Peace, love, peace, and bicycle grease. Okay. It's funny, one of the things they have me doing at physical therapy is riding a stationary bike, kind that you sit down and your legs are out in front of you. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey Bob, hope you enjoy this little treat. Thank you, Frank. Tinderbox Peach Melba. Me and Frank recently did a trade. I sent him some Condor. He wanted to try it, and he asked me what did I want. What's my holy grail of pipe tobacco? And I told him, I said, I can't ever find a peach flavor that I really, really like. So he said, well, there's a tinderbox nearby me, and they got a peach Melba there. And so I said, great. So he sent me some peach Melba, and I'll be trying that out very shortly. Oh, and some matches, tinderbox matches. Hey, cool. And I'm going to try this out right now. So stay tuned. Hey, okay, I'm back. Got the pipe loaded. It has a wonderful smell. I really, really like that. And I am going to be hoping that the smell lives up, the taste lives up to the smell. Too often I've been disappointed. The best, very best smelling peach I ever had was Sutliff. Taste of Summer. I think it's Taste of Summer. It's a peach flavor. Exquisite, mouth-watering smell. I mean, you really just want to get a spoon and eat it. It smells that good. Tastes minuscule. Minuscule peach taste. Can't stand that. got a wonderful room note. I can smell it even as I smoke it. It does smell like peach. The peach is there. It's not exceedingly strong. Not as strong as I would like. Sorry, Mojo Milt. But it's good. It's very good. I think this is quite possibly the best peach I've tried so far. Yeah, quite possibly the best peach I've tried so far. Okay. Thank you, Frank. Appreciate it. It's good stuff. But as long as we're on the subject, if anybody has suggestions for a peach flavored tobacco, let me know. I'd love to hear your suggestions, even if it's from a local brick and mortar shop nearby your house. I'd love to hear about it. It's the way Mojo Milt put it, my holy grail. It's what I'm looking for more than anything else is a good, very strong flavored peach. Thank you, Frank. Appreciate it. Till next time, may all your roads be smooth, chicken house is closed, and may your pipe never run empty. God bless.